What if I told you that one day the Milky Way galaxy itself could kill us? Not Earth, not the Sun, but the entire galaxy we call home. It sounds impossible, yet science says otherwise. And if that day comes, humanity's only hope may be to abandon the Milky Way entirely and search for a new galaxy to call home. The Milky Way feels eternal, but hidden inside are ticking time bombs. Supernovae, collapsing stars, and even the supermassive black hole at its center. Over unimaginable timescales, these dangers don't just threaten planets. They threaten the survival of entire civilizations. And here's the terrifying part. Moving to another star system in our galaxy wouldn't save us, because in a dying galaxy, every star is doomed. So could we leave? Astronomers believe our best chance lies in Andromeda, our neighboring giant galaxy. It's bigger, richer in stars, and might offer worlds where life could begin again. But there's a problem. Andromeda is already on a collision course with the Milky Way. In 4 billion years, the two galaxies will smash together. So if we want to escape, we may need to act long before that happens. The distance? Over 2.5 million light years. No rocket today, not even the fastest probe we've ever built, could get us close. We would need technologies that exist only in theory, warp drives, wormholes, or world ships the size of cities. Entire generations would live and die aboard these arcs, never knowing Earth, never seeing a real sky. Food, oxygen, gravity, all artificially created. Society itself would transform into something new, shaped not by nations or borders, but by survival in the void. Picture it, a moving world in space, artificial suns, forests under glass, oceans contained inside vast rotating habitats. AI and robotics keeping the systems alive for thousands, maybe millions of years, and humanity evolving, adapting, changing with every generation. Would we still be Earthlings after leaving Earth, the Sun, and even the Milky Way behind? Or would we become something entirely new, children of the stars? And then, finally, after unthinkable ages, we arrive. Another galaxy, new stars, new worlds, the chance to rebuild civilization stronger than before. Our survival would be more than a victory. It would be our ultimate message to the cosmos, that humanity refused to vanish quietly, that we crossed the darkness and carved out a future among the stars. So, could we really do it? Could humanity truly abandon the Milky Way and survive the journey between galaxies? Or would this be our greatest and final challenge? Because one day, the Milky Way will fall silent. And when it does, the story of humanity may not end here, but somewhere far, far away, in another galaxy.